Anika, sino na hintay mo? Bakit ka iiyak na?
Guys, malapit na si Tata. Hello mga sis, it's me again.
Anika!
We're gonna celebrate my daddy's birthday because we set up all the things of daddy's birthday, right? Okay, we have a birthday cake. So my daddy's not here yet. We're gonna surprise him cake. So today's video is my daddy's birthday. So my dad is going home. I'm gonna surprise him, guys, because I'm 5 and my name is Anika, and this is my ate Shai, and we're gonna surprise my daddy to surprise him, so the camera will not block him. Guys, we are gonna go now. Bye.
So, we're gonna set up the camera, guys. Dito namin ilalagay. Sana hindi makikita o hindi mapapansin ni Dada, di ba? So, let's see. Ganyan. Ayan. Kita niyo. Ayan yung decoration namin, guys. Kanina pa yan. Sana hindi mapansin ni Dada tong camera, guys. Gama na po. This is the first cam. Maglalagay din kami ng other cam.
Just wait, okay, bye.
Bye muna, guys. So, this is the second camera. Ayan. So, hindi ka kita.
Hello.
Ayan. So, this is the second camera. So, this is the third cam, guys. Dito kami magtatago sa dining. Ayan. So, nalagay namin dito yung camera na isa. First camera! Hi! And there's second camera! Hi! Let's go to the third camera! Hi, third camera! It's so dark! This is the, this is?
This is my daddy's birthday.
This is Daddy's cake daw.
Guys, malapit na si Tata.
So, ipi-play na natin yung camera, guys, ha? Ready na natin yan.
Camera dito. Hi, vlog! Dali na!
Happy birthday to you!
Wow! Tondo naman yung cake ni Dada.
Epic, Anika!
Ano ah? Ito yung kagabi eh. Dito na. Ito tayo. Hindi ko ang stick. Apa? Sila ka. Ah, may gift din si Dada sa kanya. Thank you, bebe. Ikaw nagsulat na.
Birthday, Daddy.
Wow, sila ito. Ikaw yan. Ito si Dada.
Oh, I get the fan.
Thank you po. Wow!
Vlog.
Vlog ka na.
Hello. We time for our eating time.
Ay, alsin.
Happy birthday to Dada.
Epic yung third cam namin.
Hello. This is the word. That is the perfectly
natin dito.
no and
Calling naman yung bebe.
hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today's channel we're gonna eat chowking. And I'm gonna eat
Wala tuloy na on yung third camera.
lumpia and
May third pa ba?
Opo, ito sana. Dapat ilalagay ko doon din. So, nagtatago kami dapat nga ni Kaso wala.
rice.
Ay, vlog. Sabi nila. Hindi mo ba kami napansin, kuya, doon? O napansin
Okay guys,
May daw agad yung cellphone.
one,
Ay, nag-record. May something.
three, go!
Patingin niya ako dyan yung video.
Happy birthday! Say happy birthday to
Thank you po.
Daddy, birthday mo na yan. Family bonding tayo. Daddy, gusto ko na ikaw umuwi. Sad na ako, Daddy. Tampo na ako sa'yo.